Behind every FireBoard product is a network of American manufacturers. At FireBoard, we collaborate with partners like AT Sheet Metal to produce precision components using locally sourced materials. Together, we're demonstrating how small businesses can work hand in hand to deliver quality components, support local economies, and keep innovation rooted in American craftsmanship. Let's go take a look at that American craftsmanship here at AT Sheet Metal.
My name's Scott Gepkin. I'm with AT Industrial Sheet Metal, and we make a number of parts for the G3 blower system for FireBoard, and everything is brushed stainless steel that we bend, cut, and fabricate here in our shop. Yeah, so AT Industries has been around. It was founded in 1985. In 1993, we started our industrial sheet metal division. And we work with, we've been a union sheet metal shop since the beginning, local to sheet metal workers, and can build, do, fabricate whatever you need metal-wise. We can do it all. We build everything from the FireBoard housing that you guys use all the way to industrial paint booths for car manufacturers and things like that.
My name is Colby Thornton. I work at AT Industries. Currently, this laser's cutting the housings for FireBoard. From the change table, they'll go to the brake where everything's folded, formed, fitted. Here you get to see it come from a flat piece of metal and formed into a variety of things.
I'm Cody with ATI, working on these FireBoard parts. I operate the press brake, and we're gonna show you a little bit of our action. So you got these flat parts that we're gonna turn into these. Gotta break a small leg on either end, and then we'll fold it into like a channel.
Our roots are American-made products, American-made labor, American-made everything, and being able to provide you guys with American-made parts and pieces is a big part of us.